This microphone's been out for a while, in case you guys didn't know. I had it in my cart on Amazon for a while, and I decided, like, you know what? Let's go on ahead and get this cracking. So guys, I present to you, as you saw in the thumbnail, because if I didn't make it on the thumbnail, you guys wouldn't watch the video, but the Boya Magic microphone. This microphone is a multi-system functioning microphone, and I feel like this is a great microphone if you're going to be one of those people who are going to interview people. You want to have a microphone to put in their face. This is going to be your guy. Won't get into the specs right now. This is just the unboxing because I got to use it. I got to see how it works, how it sounds, and I'll come up with more videos with that later. So for now, check out the unboxing. Pretty cool microphone, isn't it? Got this thing in my hand. This is going to be perfect for you people who like to do interviews, where you can put the microphone in front of someone's mouth and get really good audio. As you guys can see, this is a unit. Or you can just use it as a regular microphone. It's up to you how you want to play it. You can have it up to your mouth right now. If you're going to use it like this, you at least need one microphone. As you guys seen, kind of like if you were actually paying attention, we got dual audio going on right now. We got me talking right now with the microphone inside of my shirt. And then we got the microphone in front of my mouth. This thing has two capsules, you see? You have to always have a microphone up here if you want to use it in such, okay? I'm going to show you guys, this is really working as a dual microphone setup. I got this one right here, and I got this one right here. I got this one right here, and I got this one right here. Oh, by the way, button on the actual microphone, you see it? If you double tap it, it'll start and stop recording on your device. Will it work with the Action 5, for example? And I say the Action 5 because the Action 5, the Action 4, and the Action 3 DJI cameras, and the Ace Pro 2 actually, they do support USB-C microphones. I'm not supposed to make this video this long, but let's try it. If it works for the Ace Pro 2, it's gonna work with the Action 5, Action 4, and Action 3 cameras. Got the Ace Pro 2. You see the USB-C receiver plugged into it. You see me tapping the microphone. I'm talking into the microphone, and you can see my voice actually activating. And then we have the wireless microphone. Sorry if it's noisy. And then you got the wireless microphone, and I'm talking, and you can see the volume bar up on the top of the screen. I'm gonna double tap. Okay, what you can do is you can turn noise cancellation on and off based off the settings of the Boya microphone. Obviously, these settings are always set to how you have it done in the app. So when it comes to noise cancellation, if you go in the app and you set it to weak or strong, anytime you set it, if you're not using your cell phone, if you are using like the Action 5, the Action 4, Action 3, Ace Pro 2 cameras, and you turn noise cancellation on manually with the Boya system, it will go to whichever strong or weak, whichever you last set it with on the app when you had it last connected to your phone. That's it. Next video.